Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are doing well. We are so excited to announce that we are starting a complete Pakistan Studies course for class 10. I have noticed something again and again. Many brilliant students get top marks in mathematics, science subject, and English. But when it's come to Pakistan studies, their marks drop. The problem isn't that the subject is difficult. The problem is how it is studied. Most students try to memorize dates and events without understanding the real story behind them. In this course, we are going to study smarter. We will focus on understanding concepts instead of blindly memorizing, learning exams techniques so that you know exactly how to answer for full marks, practicing past paper questions so there are no surprises in the exam, assignment and quizzes after every chapter to make your learning stronger. By the end of this course, inshallah, you will be confident in every topic and ready to score top marks. So let's begin this journey together and master Pakistan studies. If we talk about the syllabus of class 10 Pakistan studies, we have five chapters. The first chapter is on economic development. Then we have a chapter on political development in Pakistan, on population. Then a chapter on society and culture of Pakistan. एंड लास्ट वी हैव पाकिस्तान इन वर्ल्ड अफेयर्स। ठीक है, हमारे पास 30 MCQs होंगे पेपर में, 5 CRQ होंगे 14 मार्क्स के, और एक ERQ होगा 6 मार्क्स के। तो हमारे पास जो टोटल पेपर होगा दैट इज ऑफ 50 मार्क्स।